today's video we are going to learn how to use conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is nothing but formatting the data by using some conditions. So I have a data here with employee name, location, week, ticket ID and quality scores. So let's see how to do conditional formatting this data. So I want to format the quality scores using conditional formatting. So I want to format these scores according to this data. So 61% below scores, I want them in red color. Between 61% and 80%, I want blue color. 80% and above, I want green color. So between 61% and 80%, 61% and 80 is included in this. They will be in blue color. So 60% below means 61% below means from 60, 59, 58 everything will be in red color. So we'll see how to do that. For that, first you need to select the data range which you want to format. Then you need to click on conditional formatting. Highlight cells rules. Under highlight cells rules, you need to click on less than. Less than 61%. I want red color for those scores. So 61% below, I want red color. Red color is automatically selected, so I'm clicking on OK. So second rule is 60 between 61% and 80%, I want them in blue color. So again you need to select the data range, go to conditional formatting. Under highlight cells rules, you need to select between 61% and 80%, I want blue color. So you need to click on drop down. Blue color is not there, so you need to click on custom format. Then you have all the colors here. If you don't want to use these colors, then you can click on more colors as well. So then you will get more colors. You can select from these colors as well. So I'm selecting blue color from here. Then you need to click on OK. So blue color is applied to the scores between 61% and 80%. So the third one is 80% and above. I want them in green color. So again you need to go to conditional formatting. Under highlight cells rules, you need to click on greater than 80%. I want them in green color. Green color is there, so I have selected that. Click on OK. So I have formatted this quality scores into three colors. So that is red, blue and green. 61% and below, 61% below in red color, 61% to 80% blue color, 80% above I have formatted in green color. So this is how we need to use conditional formatting. If you change any color, for example in place of 96, I'm changing this 96% into 50%, then the color will automatically changed. See, it is changed to red color. And this 70% is now 90%. It is changed to green color. So if you change the values, 100% is now 40%. So it is changed to red color. So if you change the values, then color will be automatically changed according to your conditions. So this is how we can format the data. And by using conditional formatting, we can find out duplicates as well. So how to find the duplicates, we will see that. So I'm entering some duplicates for that. So I want to find out duplicates in this row. So I have selected this row. Go to conditional formatting. Go to highlight cells rules. Here you can see duplicate values. So duplicate values, you can select color for duplicate values. So I want duplicate values will be highlighted with a light red fill. So I'm selecting that. Click on OK. So these are the duplicate values which we have. So change any number, means if there is any duplicates in future also, we can, if there are any changes in this numbers, here in place of 66 I am entering the 77. So the color will is changed. So this is how we will find out duplicates. If you want to find out duplicates, then you can use of conditional formatting. And we have some other rules as well. We'll see what are those rules. So under highlight cells rules, greater than we have used it, less than between we saw that. Equals to is nothing but same as greater than, less than, between. If we give any equal value, means the value which is equals to 60%, I want some color for that, then I can use this equal to. Text that contain, we will use it here in weeks. So I'm selecting the data under weeks and go to conditional formatting. Under highlight cells rules, text that contains week 1. Week 1, I want all week 1 should be in yellow color. Click on OK. So we will yellow color will be applied to all week ones. Under week, if we have, for example, I'm changing this week 4 into week 1, the color will be changed here. See, this is how it will work. And I'm changing this to week 2, then the color will be removed from here. So we can format the text as well. So I want week 2, another color for week 2. So text that contain week 2 should be in light blue color. Click on OK. And for week 3 and week 4 also we will give some color. Text that contain week 3. For week 3 I want amber color. Okay. And for week 4 I want ash color. Okay. So for each week I have different colors here. So if you change week number, then the color will be automatically changed to other color. So I'm changing week 1 as week 2 as week 3 here. So the color will automatically changed. Here instead of week 4, I'm changing it to week 1. The color is changed to yellow. So this is how we can format the text also, and the numbers also we can format, and we can find out the duplicate values as well, and we can format the dates also, a date occurring. So you can select the date, the yesterday, today or tomorrow, in last 7 days, last week, this week. So you can select the date as well, means in some color you can highlight that. So this is how we use conditional formatting. So we will learn more about conditional formatting in next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel POIT.